one pattern, endless spatial expressions through color. With just a subtle change in color, the same cement tile pattern can create completely different moods and stories within a space. Viettiles cement tiles are not limited to a fixed color palette, but instead offer flexible customization options to suit a wide range of interior styles and design concepts. You can choose neutral tones for a minimalist, modern, and calming atmosphere, or combine bold colors to create unique highlights for cafes, showrooms, and creative spaces. For hotels, resorts, or high-end projects, elegant color palettes can bring a more refined and luxurious feel to the overall design. No matter how the colors change, the handcrafted curves and patterns still retain their distinctive artistic value. Beyond aesthetics, Viettiles cement tiles also allow custom color combinations based on your preferences while maintaining durability and long-lasting quality. Because sometimes what truly makes a space different is not the pattern you choose, but the colors you use to express your own story and personality within it.